Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are absolutely fine. So today we are going to talk about one new question, which is finding three-digit even numbers. So let's get started. So what we have, so हमको आपका एक integer array दिया हुआ है, which is digits, and where each element is a digit, the array may contain duplicates. So जो array है आपको, उसमें बहुत सारे elements दिए हुए हैं, उसमें से आपका कोई, उसमें आपके duplicates might be present, okay? जैसे आपका वन है तो वन के आपके मल्टीपल एलिमेंट्स हो सकते हैं. So we need to find all the unique integers that follow the given requirement. So we have to find all the unique integers जो आपका इन requirements को fulfill करता हो, ठीक है? So the first thing is the integer consists of the concatenation of three elements from digits in any arbitrary order. The integer does not have any leading zeros. The integer is even. So we can do we can check here. So if we have an array like this 2130, so it is saying the integer consists of the concatenation of three elements from digits. So आपका concatenation means होता है आपको ऐड करके, ठीक है, दो तीन एलिमेंट्स को आपका जोड़ के, जैसे स्ट्रिंग में होता है concatenation. So like we have 2 1 3 0, तो हम अगर इनको हम एक साथ अटैच करेंगे, so it will be like 2 1 3 0. We can create one element like this. You can do 1 3 or 1 3 0. These are now from these four elements, we have created a single element. This is called concatenation. Okay. So yeah, after this, we can just let me remove it. So yeah, the second thing is the integer does not have any leading zeros. What does it mean? It should not be started with zero, right? And it should be of three element from digit. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we can say if we have to make an element from these elements, what we can do, we can create three-digit element like 213, 130, 301, 213. It's like a permutation of these elements, right? So the second the second one, this the integer does not have any leading zeros. What does it mean? It means that it should not be started with any, it should not start with any type of zero. Like we cannot create an element from 013 like this or 030. Okay, because it will contain an leading zero. So basically it should not be less than 100. You get it? Because if we have 0 in the 100th decimal place, 013, then it will be less than 100, obviously. So we does not have to use 0 at a start, we can say. And the third, the integer is even. So the element which we are creating from concatenation of these should be even. So ये आपका 312 हो सकता है because moduli 2 is equals to 0. Yes, है आपका because it is an even element. We can also say 210. Yes, also it can also be, it can also work. 130, it can also work, right? So we will just frame in and code the basically. So what we have, other than this, we have sorted array. We have to return a sorted array of unique integers. So these should have to be in mind. इनको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए because sorted array और unique integers के लिए हम कोई एक नया प्रोग्राम ना लिखते हुए we can use a set data structure, right? Set int plus, like, because set contains all the elements in a sorted way, as well as they won't contain unique, they contain unique element, they won't contain duplicate elements. Yeah. So we can n equals to digits dot size. You can say that we will go through each element, right? Plus for int j equals to 0, j is less than n, j plus and last loop int k equals to 0, k is less than n, k plus. Now what we have to find, we have to find the unique integers, so that if we have to find unique integer, we have only one array. एलिमेंट्स आपके यूनिक होने चाहिए उसमें, जो हम आपका नया एलिमेंट बनाएंगे. So for that we can use one condition, I equals to j or j is equals to k, or k, or we can say I is equals to k. If this is a condition, then we can just say continue. So it will, what it will do, it will just skip that part and again iterate. Okay. It won't go like further after this, because continue, but continue that it won't let you go after the condition. Okay. It will just skip these conditions. And then what we can do, we can just store d1 equals to digits I, comma d2 equals to digits j, comma d3 equals to digits k. Okay, we have, then we can check int. We can check first. We have to check if the d1 is 0. Okay, if the d1 is 0, then we will just say that the element is starting from 0, so it won't be there. So int, so if d1 is equals to 0, we can do continue. Continue. Also, if your d3 moduli 2 is not equal to 0, we can also say continue, because we also have to continue. Yeah, because we also have to make it even, right? So for that, we can just check and take an element now equals to d1 multiplied by 100 plus d2 multiplied by 10 plus d3 into 1 karo, yeah, normal it's up to you, right? You don't have to do it. And then we can just press dot insert here now. So what I did, मैंने आपका ये num, आपका जो एलिमेंट है ये वाला 102 like this, I created it by just multiplying digit 1 by 100, because it gonna be in at 100 place. आपका होता है 1 times 100. So for 100 place, we have to multiply by 100. For 10th place, we have to multiply by 10th. And the last one's place will be, can be remain same. Then we can just return vector, because the data type is vector. So we can just return vector. Here, what is it? Res dot begin, comma, res dot, and we can say that. So check if there's any error or not. Okay, there's no error and it works absolutely fine. So let me submit it. Just, yeah, it works. It works really fine. So as you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.